If you're in the position I was in years ago, owning or wanting to own a drone but not fully sure what to do with it, I'd like to share with you what I've learned in the past 5 years as I went from collegiate student athlete to full-time drone pilot. This video is part of a larger series that will teach you how to make money flying drones. Money-making method number 2 is easy to get started in, so I wanted to cover it early on. Stock media. It's a great industry to get started in while you're honing and perfecting your skills. We're going to talk about 2 routes for stock media. The first is selling your media through a stock footage site like Pond5, Shutterstock, or others. The second route is creating media that sells itself on your own platform. We'll dive more into that in just a minute. First, let's talk about selling through a provider. This route allows you to upload videos and have the platform you upload to advertise your media to people looking to buy what it is you're selling. You will receive a percentage of the sales, not all of them, which can be a downside. Also, to do this successfully, it helps to live in a scenic, desirable location. You'll also want to keep up with the trends for what kind of media people are wanting to buy, which can be time-consuming. There's a different method that's much more efficient instead that I'd like to recommend to you. Sell your own media on autopilot. You might be asking, what kind of media do I create? What do I price it at? What platform do I use? These questions can be answered pretty simply. The platform first that I recommend to you is YouTube. It costs nothing to create a YouTube channel, and it also costs nothing beyond the cost of your drone to take it out to a local attraction, park, or scenic place and practice flying techniques and maneuvers. Here's how it all comes together. Stock media for local places is hard to come by. So let's say I work for a local news agency. There's an event happening at a local park later this week, and my job is to create a short promo video by tomorrow afternoon. I'm in a time crunch, and I'd really like to avoid having to go out to this place with all the other responsibilities that I have piled up on my plate. So I search the park's name on Google and stumble across a YouTube video of it, and the owner is selling copyrights to that footage. The price looks good, much better than the big media sites, plus the videos look much better. It gives me more options as an editor, so I reach out to the person and purchase licensing rights to the video. He wins and I do too. This is a real example of how we've seen the scenario play out. By creating this video, you've developed an asset at no cost to yourself beyond the drone and editing software. It lives on a platform that receives 5 billion views per day. Plus, you don't have to go back out and update it daily or weekly. Create a few beautiful videos that highlight community hotspots and you can earn a nice side income on autopilot. I hope this video taught you something new. If you have any questions at all, please post them in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more, please feel free to check out the other videos in this series.